A real giant panda slowly walks through a lush bamboo forest. Its stomach growls softly. It sniffs the ground, no bamboo in sight. The panda looks around, slightly confused. It paws at empty ground, tilting its head. A small bird struggles on the forest floor, one wing caught in thin vines. Soft chirping sounds. The panda notices the movement, stops walking, looks at the bird, then at its own empty paws. The panda gently uses a bamboo stick to lift the vines away. Careful, slow, precise. The bird is free. It hops, flaps